Hi guys, Chris here from ExecSpot. Today I want to ask you a question. What do you clean your smart devices with? I bet I've got a good idea of what you're thinking. I'd like to introduce you to iSol Plus. iSol Plus polishes and protects all your treasured technology. It's specially recommended for advanced cleaning on new generation touchscreen smartphones and tablet computers. iSol's also perfect for MP3s, games consoles, sat-navs, laptops, desktop computers, LCD, LED, 3D and plasma TVs. iSol's antibacterial formula removes dust, fingerprints and grease from all your devices, leaving them sticky free and looking like new. Lots of other cleaning products unlike iSol are alcohol or ammonia based. They can make your screen turn that yellow-brown colour. It also removes 99.9% of all bacteria and viruses, and from what tests have shown, your handheld smart devices have more harmful bacteria than on a toilet seat. In every package, you get a HyperCloth that works in conjunction with all iSol products. You even get 2 of them in the 125ml, and also you get 3 in the 250ml. The packaging is really nice. It comes with lots of information, and the bottles are the best I've ever seen for a cleaning product. With their aluminium finish, they look more like a £100 bottle of aftershave. I'd proudly display these on my desk and not in my drawer. Now the price. I was shocked to find out that the iSol Compact is only $8.99, the 125ml is only $14.99, and the 250ml is $22.99. Compared to its competitors, iSol beats them on price, quality and quantity. Please, if you like this video, show your appreciation by liking us. And if you'd like to see more information about iSol and other products and videos, please visit the links below. Also, subscribe to our channel and win some free prizes. I'm Chris from ExecSpot. Thanks for watching.